Okay, I was just going to follow up with our conversation. So here's your file. Now you'll notice it looks kind of a vibrant blue. One of the things I was going to mention that helps you kind of figure out what your print is going to look like is you can come into your Acrobat, you can go to View, you can go to Tools, then you come down to this area called Print Production, and suddenly now you've got these things. An output preview lets you actually see on screen kind of what you're going to get when you go to print. Now, default down here is swap coded. I was playing with this. You'll probably see your default here is this one. And you'll see what happened. Did you see that jump in the color? It's now purple on the screen. And what Windows uses, Office programs, in this case Word, uses sRGB, Windows sRGB, to do their color management. But when you go to US Web Coded, and that's your default, it converts everything down. It makes everything more purplish here. You'll notice if I go back up to that top here and I find this Windows RGB, it turns it to a vibrant blue. And when you do that and you print with that color profile, you'll get a brighter blue, which is what you're looking for. So when you actually go to print this file, you've got to go File and Print. You come up into the Advanced area over here because Acrobat is doing the color management. You probably have Acrobat doing the color print management versus our printer doing the color management. And here's this default US Web Coded. If you want to print and get a blue, you are going to have to come down here and you are going to have to pick down here the WSC RGB when you go to print, and if you say OK down here and then you say print, you are going to get the blue that you're looking for. Okay, dokes, talk to you later.